you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's hot outside, and we're gonna make a cold kidney bean salad inside. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I promised you a cold bean salad, and here it is. Now, it's also my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Christina. I know, Chris and Christina. Don't ask. So let's get into it. Here's everything you're gonna need. For this salad, I'm using 3 cans of kidney beans that I've already rinsed off and drained, some black pepper, some mayonnaise, some piccalilli, or relish as y'all call it, 2 stalks of well-washed celery, 1 medium onion. Now, let's chop up. I need a better knife. Lord knows. Let's chop up our celery as fine as we can. The finer you chop it, the better it will mix with the salad. Put this in your bowl. Yes, my butcher block is very clean. Chop up your onion. Dice it as fine as you can. Put in all 3 cans of your kidney beans. We're going to give this a quick mix and try not to slop it out the bowl. Yeah, I tell you, it's your Uncle Chris. Now, we're going to add in our black pepper, about a good 2 tablespoons. No, excuse me, Lord, 2 teaspoons. Oh, I'm having fun. Somebody's going to write in the comments, Uncle Chris, have you been nipping again? No, I haven't. I swear I haven't. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of piccalilli. People make fun of me because I say piccalilli. But my people are from down south, as I told you, and the others are from, well, Puerto Rico. So, there you go. I am soul and salsa all in one. Okay. Now that you've done that, get you good heaping spoonfuls of mayonnaise. How much? It is up to you. I try to use at least a cup, if not 2, but right now I'm just using a cup. I'm doing this around. Okay, that should be enough. Get it well mixed. Chop up any big pieces you see. Now, yeah. Okay, I don't think it gets any simpler than that. Now, some people add shredded cheese to this, or boiled egg to it and chop it up. I just like it simple like this. It's a simple salad you can serve at your barbecue. Now, what you want to do, let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours before serving. Reason being, it'll be nice and chilled and the flavors will have married together. All right, now we're gonna do a fruit punch recipe after this video. I'm gonna load this up as quick as I can because it's all happening. Today is my barbecue day. All right, listen. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Also, check out the next video coming up today. I'm loading up as fast as I can while I'm barbecuing. I am running my butt off for you guys. I'm spoiling you. I'm crazy. I can't help it. All right. Till the next video, y'all. All right. I gotta refrigerate this. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got